Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure App Service. So, what is Azure App Service? Azure App Service is an HTTP-based service for hosting web applications, REST APIs, and mobile back-ends. You can develop in your favorite language, be it .NET, .NET Core, Java, Ruby, Node, JS, PHP, or Python. Applications run and scale with ease on both Windows and Linux-based environments. App Service not only adds the power of Microsoft Azure to your application, such as security, load balancing, autoscaling, and automated management. With App Service, you pay for the Azure compute resources you use. The compute resources you use is determined by the App Service plan that you run your apps on. You should understand why to use App Service. Here are some key features of App Service. Multiple languages and frameworks. App Service has first-class support for ASP.NET, ASP.NET Core, Java, Ruby, Node, JS, PHP, or Python. You can also run PowerShell and other scripts or executables as background services. Global scale with high availability, scale up or out manually or automatically. Host your apps anywhere in Microsoft's global data center infrastructure, and the App Service SLA promises high availability. Security and compliance. App Service is ISO, SOC, and PCI compliant. Authenticate users with Azure Active Directory or with social login, Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Microsoft. Create IP address restrictions and manage service identities. Application templates. Choose from an extensive list of application templates in the Azure Marketplace, such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Visual Studio integration. Dedicated tools in Visual Studio streamline the work of creating, deploying, and debugging. API and mobile features. App Service provides turnkey core support for RESTful API scenarios and simplifies mobile app scenarios by enabling authentication, offline data sync, push notifications, and more. Serverless code. Run a code snippet or script on demand without having to explicitly provision or manage infrastructure, and pay only for the compute time your code uses. The Azure App Service environment is an Azure App Service feature that provides a fully isolated and dedicated environment for securely running App Service apps at high scale. This capability can host your Windows web apps, Linux web apps, Docker containers, mobile apps, functions. App Service environments (ASEs) are appropriate for application workloads that require very high scale. Isolation and secure network access. High memory utilization. Customers can create multiple ASEs within a single Azure region or across multiple Azure regions. This flexibility makes ASEs ideal for horizontally scaling stateless application tiers in support of high RPS workloads. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.